After you find the dolly, you want to hook it up to the trailer. Make sure it's secure. Then hop in the cab. Got the door open, I can close it. Blew up. Alright. Now, what he's doing right now, he's lining up the dolly with the trailer. You might have to drive around, line it up as straight as you can get it. And then you're gonna go back slowly, making micro turns, left and right. Because once the dolly gets out of control, it's out of your hands, and you're gonna have to start all over. But he's been doing it for a while. He's pretty good at it. So after you get it right about there, not directly under the trailer, but about 3 feet in front of it, you want to unhook it and then drop it. There's usually a black line right there between the glad hands. You want to line it up exactly with that black line, but don't put it all the way in the back. Just keep it perfect. So the second part of this is to go get the actual trailer or the pup. That's what he's doing right now. After you've got your trailer hooked up, line it up directly in front of the dolly that you placed in previously. Stop the truck, get out, bring it back to the trailer. You want to hook this up first. Make sure you pull that lever out. Put on the hooks. Then hop back in the cab and push it directly under the trailer now. You go back real slow until you hear it click. Boom, there you go. After you hear that click sound, give it a quick tug. 1, 2. Stop the brakes, get out, hook up the electrical, the glad hands, go to the back trailer. Do the same thing you did in the first trailer. Bring up the legs. And then pretty much home free.
Gonna go
like 2 laps and then I'm gonna break it down over there.
Okay. He's about to go release the airline, the red one. Stop that beeping so it can charge the air.